Meet InterApp, the platform used to create augmented reality experiences by embedding unique, rich media content including NFTs into packaging, art, apparel, and printed graphics. InterApp enables you to quickly create AR content for yourself by first uploading your target graphic, then connecting your video or animated GIF. Second, connect hyperlinks to drive engagement to a unique landing page or call to action. Now your content is interactive in the InterApp domain. With the InterApp Android and Apple app, your audience can interact and be engaged with your exclusive AR content. App users can also earn reward points each time they interact with AR content or scan QR codes. Become an InterApp content creator today.